Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Go Big with Gib. I'm your host, Gib Irons. Today we're going to talk about some very specific strategies to level up your life, your business, and your mindset. I'm your host, Gib Irons, and today we're going to talk about something that's a game changer for business owners and professionals that work in high-stress environments. What we're going to talk about is your physical fitness. Specifically, I'm going to ask you that you carve out 1 hour out of your day, and this is not a luxury. This is a non-negotiable thing to take care of yourself. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. If you're a professional or business owner, you know the grind. Endless emails, back-to-back meetings, and the need to show up every day and perform at a high level. It's easy to let your health go when you're busy, working hard, and chasing deals. But here's the truth. Physical fitness isn't just about looking good. It's about building mental and physical resilience in a high-stress environment. When you prioritize your body, you're sharpening your mind and fueling your success. Let's break it down. First, exercise is a stress buster. High-stress jobs flood your body with cortisol, which can leave you burned out and foggy. But when you hit the gym, go for a run, or even go on a brisk walk, your body releases endorphins. Those feel-good chemicals act like a natural reset for your body. Studies show that even 30 minutes of exercise can significantly reduce your stress level and anxiety. And they can also improve focus. Whether it's lifting weights, doing yoga, or going for a jog, I want you to take 1 hour each day to recharge your body. Now let's talk about getting outside. There's something magical about stepping away from the computer screen and getting out in the sunshine. Sunlight boosts your serotonin levels, which increases your mood and helps you combat anxiety. Plus, vitamin D from the sun supports your immune system and increases bone health. Even if you're stuck in the office all day, take 20 minutes to go for a quick walk during your lunch break. Take a trail, hit the park, or just walk around the neighborhood. You'll come back clearer, calmer, and ready to tackle the next challenge. And here's the bonus. Getting outside and getting some exercise improves self-confidence, especially as the summer approaches. Feeling good about your physique isn't just vanity, it's empowerment. When you're consistent with your fitness, you stand taller, you move with purpose, and you carry yourself with a swagger that says, I got this. That confidence spills over to your pitches, your boardroom presentations, and even your networking events. So how do I make this happen? Carve out that 1 hour every day, no excuses. Treat it like a non-negotiable meeting with your most important client, you. Maybe it's a morning jog before the emails start pouring in, or an evening workout to shake off the day's stress. The key is consistency. Schedule it, protect it, and make it yours. That's all for today's episode of Go Big with Gib. If you love this, drop us a review, share it with a friend, or go find me on LinkedIn. Until next time, keep pushing, keep moving, and keep going big. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.